So I just did a video today on the testing and vaccination requirements for all of the cruise lines. Now, I did say in the video that they change all the time. They change rapidly. They could change at any minute. But I didn't realize it was going to be quite this fast, because some of the information I just put out in that video has already changed. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we got some quick Princess Cruise Line news for you, because Princess Cruise Lines has put out a press release talking about the changes that they are going to be making to the health and safety protocols when it comes to testing and vaccination requirements. So, starting September the 6th, Princess Cruise Line says they are dropping the vaccination requirement for cruises that are 16 days or less. Now, for those that are vaccinated on cruises that are 16 days or less, you will no longer have to take a COVID-19 test prior to cruising. If you are unvaccinated sailing on a cruise 16 days or less, you will still have to do the COVID-19 test prior to embarkation. Now, there are some exceptions to this based on the countries that Princess visits. Right now, that is Canada, that is Greece, and that is Australia. Now, Canada is the one that we will probably see the most information on, at least here in the United States, because Princess sails a lot of sailings up in Alaska. Canada is one of those stops, and Canada still requires the vaccine. Canada still requires the test, which means while Princess is making these rule changes, it probably is not going to affect Alaska sailings, at least for the remainder of this 2022 season, unless Canada changes its rules. So, I don't want to be a Debbie Downer, but if you are on Alaska sailing on Princess for the remainder of this year, most of this, unfortunately, is not going to apply to you. And the other thing I want to say about this is just a press release. I went over to Princess's website, took a look at their health and safety protocols over there, and this information is not on their website yet. They have not changed it there, so I'm waiting for them to change it there to give some more specific information, some more detailed information, and share with you guys exactly what it says on the website right now. This is just some press release information, and I'm not saying it's not true. I'm not saying it's inaccurate, but I want to see it on the website before I come out and say 100% this is what Princess's new information is going to be. But I at least want to share with you guys what I've learned so far. And as soon as they update that site, I'll redo a video on Princess's new health and safety protocols. That way, just in case anything is different from the press release than what they end up putting in there for reality, because we saw this on Royal Caribbean, where they talked about it in a press release, and then what they released wasn't exactly the same. And that created a lot of confusion, so I want to make sure we get this right. But I just wanted to get this info out to you in case you read it, see it, hear it anywhere else. That way you know what's going on and that we're keeping an eye on it. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime a video comes out just like this one, because as y'all see, stuff is changing every day. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.